All right, so we have Q ground control. The map's not loading. Here we go. We have a mLRS radio module that's just plugged into the computer via USB, or was plugged into the computer via USB. We were not getting GPS information for this developer micro. It was saying AHRS waiting for home. So we're not going to fly in loiter flight mode. We are going to attempt another test flight in altitude hold flight mode. We did just do an arm check, and I'm going to swap this computer with this controller. Thank you. I think you got it, yep. All right, so we have a RadioMaster Boxer here. Developer micro is facing towards us. I think the forward and backwards is still reversed, but we should, again, still at least be able to arm take off, and we'll see what happens from there. So going to arm motors. Critical arm, battery 1 low. So we also don't have the voltage monitoring set up correctly on this developer micro. So if we just reset the connection by unplugging the battery and plugging it back in, we should be able to trick it. So the last time we flew the developer micro, I think one of the big issues is we didn't even have the compass calibrated. We at least had the compass calibrated now, so let's see if we get a little bit more stable of a flight. So let's go ahead, try arming again. We're now getting gyros inconsistent as an error. Going to try again.
Motors armed.
Motors are armed. All right, I'm going to lift up, lift off. All right.
Battery level 1 alert. Motors disarmed.
So we saw developer micro take its second flight, very short-lived. I don't know if immediately it was just caught by the wind. I didn't give it any forward or backwards sort of movement. I was just going upwards. So definitely more troubleshooting to be done, but you know, theoretically all the components are at least mostly working together, but still more, still more R&D. So I think that's it for this short-lived test flight video. You'll catch us in the next one. Thanks for watching.